totally out of the environment kung saan ako gumagalaw ngayon. And it's actually none of my business. Pag-usapan na lang natin yung mas mga magagandang bagay, like my candidate.
Masaya ka ba nung naghiwalay na sila ni Angelica at ni ano?
Again, dapat wala rin akong say doon because that's totally out of my world. Until now, hindi ko alam, is it even confirmed or...
Confirm.
Okay. According to you, yung totoo, sa'yo galing. Ay, hindi ko alam eh. Kasi hindi ako nagsasalita sa mga things na hindi ko naman alam to begin with. Mahirap nang makisawsaw sa buhay ng ibang tao. The same way na I wouldn't want him to do that to me also. So, magkaibang mundo kami ngayon. Magkaibang mundo ang ginagalawan namin. So,
Are you friends with John Lloyd?
I worked with him.
With Angelica?
I guess I'm okay with everyone, but we're not close to begin with. But you know, life is short. Marami nang namamatay ngayon. Bakit ka pa ba gagawa ng friction with any other individual? You know, I'm just here sa showbiz, sa mundo to work. And that's it, nothing else. Lahat ng ginagawa ko, it's just work. And my life, my personal life is bigger than this world. So siguro ito lang kasing exposed sa inyo. But ang dami kasing nangyayari pang maganda sa buhay ko outside of show business. So, yun, parang malayo. Hindi ko na nakokonect sa kung saan ako right now.